Here is how you can get a VAT refund on your purchases here in Thailand. Unlike in some countries where the tax refund is applied upon purchase, sa Thailand, you actually have to claim the refund at the airport. Watch this whole video because I'll walk you through everything that you need to know to claim your refund smoothly before you fly out of Thailand. First, what is VAT ba? VAT or VAT stands for Value Added Tax. In Thailand, it's currently 7% and it's already included in the prices that you see when you shop. However, not everyone can claim a VAT refund. Here's the basic checklist of who can qualify. First, you must not be a Thai citizen. So, dapat tourist ka. Next, you must not live in Thailand. Third, you are not an airline crew member departing Thailand on duty. Fourth, you are departing Thailand via an international airport. And lastly, you have to purchase the goods from stores displaying a VAT refund for tourists na sign. So, how does this work? When you shop, ask the store if they offer VAT refunds. If they do, they'll give you a form called PP10. Ayan, kulay yellow. Super important. You need to spend at least 2,000 baht with a single purchase. Upon your purchase, you have to show your passport to the store, so make sure that you bring that with you so that they can provide you with a VAT refund application for tourists na form or PP10 together with the original tax invoices. Now remember to keep the receipts and make sure your name and passport numbers are correctly written on the VAT refund application form. Now here's where most people get confused when claiming your VAT refund na at the airport. Before you check in your luggage, go to the VAT refund inspection counter in the departure area.
Sa paglapag nyo dito sa Suvarnabhumi International Airport, hahanapin muna natin yung area where you should file your tax refund. Meron namang signs like ayan, kita nyo dyan sa dulo, may nakalagay dyan na yung kulay blue na sign na yan, VAT refund for tourists. So dyan tayo pipila. So it's near itong aisle U, letter U na aisle.
Show your purchases, receipts, passports, and complete VAT forms to the inspectors in the counters. Ito, very important, some high-value items like jewelry, gold, ornaments, watches, even glasses and pens must be presented at the inspection counter, so you have to hand carry them. At the end of the entire process in the counter, they will stamp your forms, and that means that you can present this form already to get your refund. So where do you get your refund? After check-in and immigration. That's when you head to the VAT refund office. This is inside the departure hall already, and this is where you can actually get your money. So how do you get paid? You can receive your refund in cash, but this will be in Thai baht, so you'll have to convert it into your local currency. You can also have it by bank draft or to your credit card. And then that's it. You're done.
I basically just gave yung forms and then yung receipt na tinamp kanina. And then binigay ko sa kanila. They asked me to sign a paper. And then, ayan na, they gave me back the refund in cash. Ayan, 500 baht. Take note also na they will keep the receipt. So, nasa kanila na. So, kung kailangan nyo ng resibo, picturean nyo na lang ahead of time before nyo ibigay para meron kayong record of the receipts. So, ayun, that's the process of getting your VAT refund, your tax refund here in Thailand and here sa airport.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe for more travel tips and food tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in my next video. Bye!